Hey guys, so I'm gonna wait for everybody to jump on. I wanted to show you guys a cool little thing that we are doing for Mother's Day craft. So if you don't know yet, I linked it in the top of the video, but we are having a Mother's Day craft event again. We've done this in the past. It's fun. We just, I don't know, have a craft, and you can bring your grandkids or your daughters or your sons or your friends' kids or whatever. We have moms who bring their own kids sometimes. We make a craft and then we try and wrap it up kind of and then send it out with you so that your kids can give it to you on Mother's Day. So I wanted to show you what we're going to be making this weekend on Saturday. Like I said, I linked the event up there. We still have a couple of registrations open. The event is free, so I wanted to show you what we're doing. So we have these sign boards, and we put vinyl on here, and then and when you register, if you are like, well, I live with my grandma, or I'm going to bring my grandkids, or you call your mom something else, message us and let us know, and we can try to make other vinyl for the signs. But anyway, so we use this stuff that is called, we've had it in the store for a while, but I think sometimes people don't know what it is, and I honestly, there's so many things you can do with this stuff. I didn't realize all the things you can do with it, and so we're playing around with it today. But this stuff is called unicorn spit, okay? And it's a gel stain. It's a gel stain and glaze, but it is so easy to use. It's non-toxic, it smells like jasmine. So that's why I'm excited to use it with kids, because it's not toxic, it's not gonna harm them, like if it gets on their fingers like it did me a while ago. But this stuff will go on wood, glass, metal, fabric, concrete, laminate. You can do laminate countertops with this stuff. It is really, really awesome. I have like a ton of colors. Obviously you can see in my board that I grabbed a ton of colors. I squirted it out on this little, on a paper plate really, or a foam plate, and the more water, it's a stain and a glaze. And so if you can see here, like the way I did, it's a little bit stronger colored here than it is over here. So if you look up unicorn spit on Pinterest or on Facebook, you can find the different things people have done with this. They do amazing furniture design and different stuff with it. Hi, Lisa. And they paint all kinds of awesome things on furniture, but because it's stain, it goes right into the wood, and then you can use a brush. I just dabbed the brush like in a little bit more water, and then kind of spread it out like over the edge of the vinyl. Anyway, it worked really easy, super good, super fun, super easy. And so we are really excited for the Mother's Day craft event. So if you haven't signed up kids or grandkids or nieces or nephews or the neighbor's kids, whoever it is, for the Mother's Day craft event, and you want to come, we are doing one per family because we only are, I think I have open 25 spots, and I have about 10 spots left. So these are the wood signs we're making. Super easy, but unicorn spit, if you're looking for bright colors or really good, like deep colors to stain a furniture piece or wood or a countertop, or like I said, it goes on metal and glass, fabric, concrete, all kinds of things, but it's a vibrant color. So what you do is you reduce it down with water. So you can add up to 70% water to make your own custom color, and that's where you see here, like I used water and the color in it kind of like bled it out just like a stain would. So we're going to clear coat these after we make them, and then you can hang them on your wall or put them out in your garden or whatever you want to do. So anyway, unicorn spit is awesome. It is a cool product. Like I said, it's not harmful, it is non-toxic, it smells like jasmine. The lady that created this actually is from Kansas City, so it's a really cool product. We have a ton of colors, and we're going to be doing an awesome craft this weekend. We are planning hopefully soon to do an adult craft night, so be watching for that. So if you haven't registered your kids, there's a link up top. Get them registered, and we'll see you Saturday. Yes, Kayla, I know, it is cool stuff. I'm excited to try it on some other things, but search unicorn spit or on Pinterest and see what you come up with. I think you'll be really shocked all the stuff that comes out. So check it out, and we'll see you soon, and sign up for the Mother's Day craft. Bye, friends.